For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my 2 recent pickups, and both these items did come from The RealReal. And if you don't know what that is, it's a site that sells used designer goods, so like designer purses, designer wallets, designer clothes they also sell, and they sell some of the hyped up shoes. So you can find Off-Whites and Yeezys on there. Sometimes you just have to look all the time because it's always different as more and more people sell stuff on their site. And if you're new to the site and make an account with them, I think they give you $25 or $30 credit that you can use to save some money on your order. And I did that with both of the items I purchased from them. I made 2 different accounts so that way I could get $30 or $25, I can't remember what it was, off both my orders, just to save some money. Always nice to do that. And both of these items are 2 items I've been wanting to add to my collection for a very long time now. I've definitely been looking for both these items for over a year, and it was kind of funny because I found both of them within like the same week of each other. That's when I bought them. Like I said, I've been waiting a really long time to have these, and super happy to finally be able to track them down. It's always a good feeling when you're able to find your grails. And before I show you any of the items I got, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I'm super close to 900 subscribers, so I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And now let's get right into it. Like I said, I picked up 2 items. One of them is a clothing piece and the other one's a pair of shoes. And I'm gonna show the clothing piece first just because the pair of shoes is probably my favorite of the 2 items. And the clothing piece I got was this Moncler full zip hoodie, and Moncler is definitely my favorite designer clothing brand, and I've always wanted to have a jacket from them for my collection, and I was finally able to add one. Got this for a really good price. I think I paid like $360 for it, and if you don't know anything about this jacket retails for like $875, so it's really expensive. I was able to find a really good deal for this on The RealReal. This is probably only worn once or twice in my opinion. The condition on it's really good. Like this could probably pass as brand new. So it was just a really good price. I had to swipe it up just for the collection. It's the cheapest jacket I've ever found from Moncler in my size for the condition it's in. Most of the jackets I've seen are always like 500 plus, and I wasn't gonna pay that for a Moncler jacket. Even though I really wanted one, that's just so much to spend on a jacket at this point in my life. But I was able to find a really good deal on this, and if I wanted to, I could probably throw this up on Grailed, see if I could sell it. I could probably resell it and get like decent profit out of it just because of how cheap I got this for. And I don't think this jacket's ever gone on sale either, so if you want to get it, you have to pay retail for it. But overall, this jacket is so nice in person. The hoodie of it is made of like a windbreaker material, and then the rest of it's like just regular hoodie material. It feels really nice in hand. It's a lightweight jacket, it's not too heavy. And then the sleeves have these 2 pinstripes that go all the way down. The left sleeve is where it says Moncler on it, and that's the only place where it says Moncler on the whole jacket. And then a cool detail on this jacket is the drawstrings have metal aglets, so I think that's really cool. And then the zippers are also metal, and it's like a really heavy metal. It's really weird. Never had a jacket like it, but quality on it's pretty good. Now, is it worth $875 retail? Probably not, but I was able to find this for like 60% off. I think that's a little bit better in my opinion, so I had to pick it up, and I'm gonna throw this on just so you can see how it looks. I normally wear a size XL in most jackets I wear, but this jacket is a size triple XL. The sizing on Moncler is really weird. It runs really small. Like if you're buying Moncler, make sure you research what size you'll be or find measurements or something, because if you buy your regular size, it most likely won't fit just because of how weird everything runs. So I'm gonna throw this on just so you can see how it looks. So here's what the jacket looks like. Honestly, this jacket fits me perfectly. As you can see, the sleeves, not too long, not too short, and then same with the length of it. And then double drawstrings. Here's what the hood looks like. The hood is made out of a windbreaker material, if I didn't say that already. And then when you pull the drawstrings, the hood cinches down like just a normal hoodie. And then the color blocking of it is really nice. I really like how it is. The red's on top, and then the bottom is black. So I think red and black is definitely my favorite color combination. So this is a perfect jacket for me. Here's what the striping looks like on the side. So it says Moncler. And then other striping doesn't have that. And then there's nothing really on the back, it's just that red color. And then on the front, you have 2 front zip pockets and then double zipper, so there's a metal zipper up top and at the bottom. And I'll definitely have to wear this once it gets a little cooler outside. Where I live, it's gonna be like 90 degrees for the whole summer, 80 to 90 degrees. So this is definitely not something I'll be wearing because it'll get really hot. Overall, I'm really excited to add this Moncler piece to my collection. I'll definitely be wearing this a lot once it gets a little cooler outside. So that is it for the jacket. Now onto the shoes I got. And now moving on to the shoes that I got from The RealReal. These were my favorite of the 2 items, and I was also able to get these for a steal. I think I got these for like $460, and they're used, which is a steal compared to the DS price of these. I think DS is anywhere from $800 to $1,200. So finding these used, I'm gonna say they were worn like once or twice. Honestly, a steal. Cheapest I've ever seen them, so it was definitely a must cop. And from the tag, you can see Gel Lyte 3, and then the box is cooked, it's crushed, rips all around. It's just like beat up box. So now I'm gonna show you the actual shoes. And moving on to the shoes themselves, they are the Asics Gel Lyte 3, and it's a collab with AFU, and this is the red koi pair. There's also an orange koi pair, so I'll flash a picture up of that, but I've never been able to find my size in those used, so maybe I'll just have to keep on the lookout for them. But this is my favorite of the two. The red one's always been my favorite. This is definitely my favorite Gel Lyte 3 colorway of all time. This is a grail I've been wanting to get in my collection. If you watch my sneaker pickup goal for 2020, I'm pretty sure this shoe was on the list, so that is one shoe I'll be able to cross off. And this is definitely one of the big ones to cross off. This is the shoe I've always wanted. It's super hard to find, especially in my size. I wear a size 13, and that's always one of the harder sizes to find for the Asics, just because that's not as mass produced as some of the other ones. And I don't really know how limited these were, but I did see an Instagram post that said there's less than 2,000 pairs of them. So I don't know if that's true, but that's just what I'm gonna go by. These shoes are just rare regardless. Even if there's more than 2,000 pairs, these are really hard to find, especially in my size. So now that I give you close-ups of the shoe, I'm gonna put them on just so you can see how they look on feet. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like on this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. Really close to 1,000 subscribers. And once I do that, I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you subscribe so you can enter in the giveaway when I announce that. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.